am Professor N.C. Mathew, Professor of Physics and the retired principal of Government Brethren College, Tadasheri. We are settled down here for about 16 years. When I was relaxing and my wife was going up, I found she is straining alone with both hands, both legs and body also for going up. So I just wanted to help her and train for a proper lift. So I asked different people, they wanted to put lift here, broken there or there. So I was not satisfied. At last my daughter in Canada, she suggested this one, a phone number where stairlift is available. So I contacted and came to this position, and we are so happy. There is no difficulty. My house remains as it is. No work is available. We required for this.
I can now go upstairs.
That's not difficult for now.
When it becomes difficult, I will use this.
There is no civil work to be done in the house. Very convenient. It's so good.